Hey guys, I'm back, and this is a video on the QJ Rebuild. So since you guys saw the last video, I've been tediously and tirelessly working away at getting this Bachmann QJ back up to where it's supposed to be, or even better, and now it's complete. So as you guys can see, she has a brand new front pilot with a functional KD coupler. There's an air hose. I actually bought a glasses kit, so like a kit you use to like repair your glasses. I bought a kit that had the screws necessary to actually put this front pilot on, which is cool. I also straightened out the smoke deflector here and the supports. I touched up the grab iron here and here. Let me pull it forward so I can show you guys what else I did. One of the boiler stanchions, or two of the boiler stanchions, were actually damaged, so I replaced them. And these are actually Bachmann ones. So this one was the one that was broken, and then this one back here was also broken. I had to basically drill these out and reinstall them, and I painted them white. I reinstalled the railing, and it looks good. Now moving forward, if you guys remember the last video, this step here was completely twisted this way, and these railings were bent. I actually went back and I straightened these out, got the step in the correct position, so that's been fixed. Let's move back to the tender here. There was a small plastic pipe that was broken on the tender here. I think it actually might have been re-broken, but I fixed that, but I'll have to double check that. And then the rear steps here on both sides were bent inward. I've actually straightened these out because those were bent inward. Oh, almost forgot. The diaphragm here between the cab and the tender, that was loose. I actually fixed that in place, so that's fixed. And what you can't see is I actually fixed the drawbar. So I refused it back together using other plastics, and I was able to get the drawbar fixed and installed between the two, and it actually is functional, so that's good. And then moving to the rear of the tender, I removed the NEM type coupler because I thought that was just terrible, and I installed a body mounted KD coupler. It's an undershank coupler. The front coupler is also a KD coupler, and that's you know, a regular coupler. And then I also added a Details Associates air hose right here. Yeah. So that's pretty much all the details that I've fixed and repaired. I also took the chassis apart slightly, and I put some grease and oil on the connecting rods and on the gears inside. But she runs great, because you guys saw that video that I did of the first test run, and she actually is a great runner. And I actually like this front pilot. I don't know who made this front pilot, but it was made for this engine. So all the work's finished, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this update video. I'll have more coming soon. Peace, y'all.